Faceless YouTube channels, which have been very popular recently, continue to increase day by day. People can earn good income from these channels without showing their face, but these incomes can vary depending on the niche you create. Today, we will create a simple faceless video and animation style for children with you. First, let's see what this video will look like.
In the heart of a lush green forest, there lived a curious little rabbit named Ruby. Ruby loved to explore the wonders of the forest. "Hello, friends!" chirped Sammy. "What brings you to this neck of the woods? We're on an adventure!" exclaimed Ruby. "Would you like to join us?" "Oh yes, I would love to. Let's go!" A playful fox named Freddy, and even a shy turtle named Timmy.
I asked ChatGPT to create a story about animals for children. I create our characters on the Recraft AI site according to this text. Remember to choose the kawaii style when creating the characters, and then I create our background image. In the middle section, I increase the resolution of the characters and delete the background. If you hover over the icons there, you can see what they do. Let me give you some information while creating these characters. First of all, if you plan to make this niche, first open your channel and then design a profile picture and banner for yourself using tools like Canva or Photoshop or using templates. Then make sure to use keywords in the channel description. You can search for keywords related to children's videos in the YouTube search section, and you can use the keywords under it in the description section. Your username should be easy to find. It is important to enter the correct hashtags on your channel. The next step is to create your videos and improve these videos a little bit every day. We came to the 11 Labs site to voice our video text. We find a suitable voice for ourselves and voice our text. We open the Capcut program and throw the images and audio file we created into it. Now we will move the rabbit a little bit by throwing keyframes, while I extend the background image in the timeline. I bring the rabbit from left to right and throw keyframes. If you put sound effects such as bush sounds and jumping sounds in the background, you can keep the audience on the screen and reach high views.
Named Ruby.
I right-click and open the Show Keyframe Animation option. Since our audience will be children, these videos can be watched for a long time. This increases your average viewing time, and your video is watched more. Now I'm going to rotate the image a little bit next to the movement to get a more beautiful animation.
One sunny morning, she decided to embark on a great adventure. As Ruby hopped through the forest, she encountered a wise old owl named Oliver.
We will put our owl character in the video.
Perched on a sturdy, wise old owl named...
You can also publish this long video that you have prepared by opening a different channel by turning it into shorts. I recommend this to you. When publishing these videos, you can click the special option for children. Do not forget to make a nice voice over as in the video. How do we do that? Let's make an animation like floating down the tree. In this channel, I show you different types of niches. If you like it, don't forget to like and subscribe. After a certain time, if you grow these jobs, you can open more than one channel. You can have someone edit the video. You can put everything in order and make money from here. As you know, this is called YouTube automation. But you definitely need to start somewhere. Don't be one of those who watch such videos and don't do it. If you want to make good money from these places, you have to find unsaturated niches, or to make your own original content. Of course, the other factor that affects your monetization is the location where your video is watched. I think I will make a video about these. I do the same animations with other characters. After finishing the animation work, I will decorate some of my videos with some stickers and effects and save them after making color adjustments.
Once upon a time, in the heart of a lush green forest, there lived a curious little rabbit named Ruby. Ruby loved to explore the wonders of the forest and make new friends. One sunny morning, she decided to embark on a great adventure. As Ruby hopped through the forest, she encountered chir, 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 chir.